Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for News. Today we'll discuss about change your name in the Zoom desktop app. Zoom desktop app. If you have the Zoom client installed on your Mac or PC, you can change your display name. You can change your display name before joining a meeting. Number 1, launch the Zoom app. On your computer. And if necessary, sign into your account. Number 2, in the top right corner, if the of the window, select your profile picture. And then select my profile. From the drop down menu. Number 3, a browser window will open and you will be directed to your profile page. On the Zoom website, click edit next to your profile picture. Number 4, enter in a new display name. and then select the save button. Then select the save button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.